Hi everyone, Crystal, Universal County Librarian. Today we are going to go over Universal Class, an online learning tool, and Hoopla, a digital resource that lets you borrow ebooks, audiobooks, movies, television, and music. Let's take a look at this video about Universal Class. So all those classes available at your fingertips on our digital library. You can learn all these classes at your own pace. That takes up to 6 months to complete. So let's get started and look at this next video on how to log on Universal Class. Let's start off on our website. We're going to click on Digital Library. We're going to find Universal Class. And you'll see that it offers all these variety resources and lessons online, 500 courses to be exact. So you can have your library card ready, you can sign on, or you can register your library card first. Once you do all that, you'll be able to browse and look at our website and look at the different classes that you could take through crafts, professional development, social work, language arts, and teacher resources, and test preparation. Universal Class offers Continuing Education Unit, or CEUs, which is measured in continuing education programs to assist with professionals to maintain their license in their profession. So here we'll browse through the website, and you can see all the different lessons that they offer available. Here you'll see the spiritual courses that you could take, such as Buddhism, healing, and others as well. You can also look at test preparation to be prepared for different tests that you might be wanting to take, such as medical terminology, anatomy and physiology, geology 101, and interviewing skills. You can also look at web development and look at the different types of Adobe products that are available to see. You could also do Google Analytics, Microsoft, JavaScript, and more. You can see the different how much hours that they'll be available to take, and also how much credit that they will offer. So through Universal Class, you can learn anything, learn anytime, and learn anywhere. So be prepared with your library card. Now let's check out this video on Hoopla. Isn't that amazing? You could stream Hoopla on the App Store, your Google Play, Amazon, Apple TV, and Chromecast. Now we're going to go through Hoopla on our website. What you do is click on our digital library, scroll down and find Hoopla on our database list. Once you click on Hoopla on our image or view resource, you'll be brought to the Hoopla homepage. There you can register or log in with your username and password. Once you create an account, you can browse Hoopla and look at all the different categories that they have: ebooks, audiobooks, television, and movie. Let's browse Hoopla so we can see that you also have a limit of 3 borrows a month. We can also search Hoopla to the different categories, like we said here, audiobooks, television, movies, or music. We can also look at the different categories that we have that they have offered available. Now you can look at ebooks, see the different titles, and look through all the categories. You'll see that now available on Hoopla, and you can click on those links and see what there's a new title available every month. As you browse Hoopla, you'll see the different titles, the different authors that are available for each category as well. You can see the different formats that they're available. And just make sure that you always have a Nueces County library card. Make sure to sign up for digital library card and take advantage of all of our digital resources. Through all these categories on Hoopla, one of the big ones out there is Hoopla for Homeschool, which is an extended Hoopla borrows that you can find out on the Hoopla page. You'll see there's different categories that may be available for those that are homeschooling at the moment, or that can also be helpful for use in the future. There's so many to browse options on Hoopla that you can find that can be available at your fingertips. There's also different movies that you can home a different film festival that you can browse on. There's also movies that come out each month on our Hoopla page. So remember to always have your Nueces County Public Library cards ready at hand to see this new digital device. Don't forget that now available at Nueces County Public Libraries, Who Knew It, an online training software, Universal Class, that's over 500 online continuing education courses, Transparent Language Online, which explores 100 plus languages, would also help for kids, and Hoopla, a 24/7 digital library card, digital database available with your library card. Thank you and hope to see you soon.